What if I told you you don't need to be bitten by a spider, you don't need billionaire parents, and you don't need a secret lab? Because real-life superhero gadgets already exist, and yes, you can actually buy them today. Stay till the end because number one will blow your mind. Today, we're counting down 11 real superhero gadgets that feel like science fiction but are 100% real, available, and already changing how humans move, see, and protect themselves. Let's jump in. Gadgets number 11. Robotic Exoskeleton Gloves. These robotic exoskeleton gloves are one of the most practical superpower gadgets available today. They use small motors, sensors, and tension systems to amplify your natural grip strength. When you grab something, the glove detects the pressure and adds extra force instantly. Originally, this technology was designed for medical rehabilitation, helping stroke patients or people with muscle weakness regain hand function. But now, similar versions are available for warehouse workers, mechanics, construction workers, and even everyday users. In real-world use, these gloves reduce hand fatigue, allow you to lift heavier objects longer, and protect your joints from strain. You won't smash walls like the Hulk, but after a few minutes of wearing them, you'll realize how weak normal human hands actually are. This is real-life strength enhancement, not a gimmick. Gadgets number 10. Smart Night Vision Glasses. Smart night vision glasses give you the ability to see in extremely low-light environments, something humans were never meant to do naturally. These glasses use infrared sensors and digital enhancement to turn darkness into a clear, visible image. Unlike bulky military night vision goggles, modern versions are lightweight, rechargeable, and often connect directly to your smartphone. Many models can record video, take photos, and even stream live footage. They're commonly used for night driving, security patrols, camping, hunting, and emergency situations. Once you try them, walking in the dark feels completely different, almost unfair. This gadget doesn't just feel like Batman tech. It feels like unlocking a hidden human sense. Gadgets number 9. Spring-loaded jump shoes. Spring-loaded jump shoes are designed to enhance your running speed and jumping ability using mechanical energy storage. When your foot hits the ground, the spring compresses, and when you push off, it releases that energy back into your movement. They look extreme, and they feel extreme at first, but with practice, users experience higher jumps, faster sprints, and reduced impact on joints. Athletes, parkour runners, and fitness enthusiasts use these for training and endurance. While they won't let you leap over buildings, they absolutely make you feel like your legs are operating at a higher level. It's not magic, it's physics working in your favor. Gadgets number 8. Personal emergency alarm with strobe light. This small device may look simple, but it's incredibly powerful in real life. With one pull, it releases a 130-plus decibel alarm loud enough to attract attention instantly. Many models also include a blinding strobe light, making it even harder for a threat to ignore you. These are widely used by students, travelers, runners, and seniors. It fits in a pocket, clips to a bag, and works instantly, no training required. In the real world, drawing attention can save your life. This is a true, everyday superhero tool. Gadgets number 7. Self-heated tactical gloves. Self-heated gloves solve a very human weakness: cold hands. These gloves contain rechargeable heating elements that warm your fingers evenly, even in freezing temperatures. Unlike normal gloves, they maintain flexibility, allowing you to grip tools, weapons, or handlebars easily. They're used by motorcyclists, soldiers, hikers, and outdoor workers. Many models let you control the temperature level so you don't overheat. When your hands stay warm, your reaction time, strength, and coordination stay sharp, something superheroes never have to worry about. Gadgets number 6. Directional hearing amplifiers. This gadget feels straight out of a superhero movie. Directional hearing devices use advanced microphones to amplify specific sounds while filtering out background noise. You can focus on footsteps, voices, or movements from far away. They're commonly used by hunters, security professionals, and people with hearing loss, but they feel almost like a real-life superpower when used intentionally. Suddenly, the world feels louder, clearer, and more detailed. You don't realize how limited human hearing is until you upgrade it. Gadgets number 5. Electric self-balancing hover shoes. These are not sci-fi jet shoes. These are real electric hover shoes you can buy today. Each foot has its own motor, allowing you to glide forward smoothly with balance control and speed assistance. They're rechargeable, compact, and surprisingly intuitive after a short learning curve. Tech lovers, teens, and content creators use these for fun, movement, and futuristic vibes. You're not flying, but you're definitely moving like you're from the future. Gadgets number 4. Brain-controlled devices. This gadget proves that mind control isn't science fiction anymore. Using EEG sensors, brain-controlled devices detect your brain waves and translate them into commands. You can control drones, lights, wheelchairs, or even robots just by thinking. This technology is used in medical research, accessibility tools, and experimental consumer products. It's especially powerful for people with disabilities, but also mind-blowing for everyday users. No buttons, no voice commands, just thought to action. Gadgets number 3. Back and knee support power assist braces. This is real-world strength enhancement without robots or bulky suits. Power assist braces use spring tension, compression, and mechanical support to reduce stress on your knees and lower back. They help you lift, walk, and stand longer with less fatigue. These are widely used by warehouse workers, delivery drivers, older adults, and people with joint pain. No batteries, no motors, just smart mechanical advantage. Sometimes the best upgrades are the simplest. Gadgets number 2. Thermal vision cameras. Thermal vision cameras allow you to see heat signatures instead of light. That means you can detect people, animals, or objects in complete darkness, smoke, or fog. Firefighters and rescue teams rely on this technology to save lives. Once you use thermal vision, normal eyesight feels limited. It's like seeing a hidden layer of reality. This gadget doesn't just feel powerful, it changes how you understand the world. Gadget number 1. Legal stun self-defense devices. The number 1 gadget isn't about power, it's about control. Legal stun defense devices deliver a high-voltage, low-current shock that temporarily disables an attacker without causing permanent harm. They are compact, easy to carry, and widely used for personal safety. Some even include alarms, flashlights, and tracking features. Real superheroes protect themselves first so they can protect others. So tell me, which gadget made you feel like a superhero? Comment the number below. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who secretly wants to be a hero. Because the age of superheroes has already begun.